Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for Invisalign. Always remove your aligners before eating or drinking anything other than plain water to prevent staining and damage. Make sure to clean your aligners gently twice a day using a soft toothbrush and a small amount of toothpaste. It's also crucial to brush and floss your teeth thoroughly before putting your aligners back in to maintain good oral hygiene. For a deeper clean, consider using a specialized Invisalign cleaning solution or retainer tablets once a week. This helps to remove any stubborn plaque buildup and keep your aligners fresh. Remember, never use hot water to clean your aligners, as the high temperature can cause the plastic to warp and alter their fit. Always rinse them thoroughly with cool water after cleaning to ensure no residue remains. Consistency is key for successful treatment, so aim to wear your aligners for 20 to 22 hours every single day. When your aligners are not in your mouth, always store them in their designated protective case. This prevents them from getting lost, damaged, or exposed to germs. Regularly clean your aligner case as well to prevent any bacterial growth and keep everything hygienic. Make sure to change your aligners exactly as directed by your orthodontist, which is typically every 1 to 2 weeks, to keep your treatment on track. If you experience any significant discomfort, a poor fit, or notice any damage to your aligners, contact your orthodontist right away. And hey, while you're taking care of your smile, don't forget to check out the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.